What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. Today we are making an all-American dessert perfect for any Independence Day or celebration that involves America. Make it for Election Day, why not? The reason I say that is because we have these beautiful colors. We have red and blue and white because today we are making a berry coconut crisp. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. Alright, this recipe calls for frozen blueberries and raspberries, partially thawed, so grab these out of the freezer, about half an hour to an hour before you start cooking. You can pick whatever fruit you want to put in here. Whatever berries you come across, just grab them and throw them in a bowl. First thing we're going to do is make our topping. Now we have our quinoa flour, our white rice flour, our sugar, coconut, unsweetened shredded coconut, and nutmeg. But before you do that, set your oven to 350 degrees. Now this is gluten-free, so if you don't care about that, then just take out the quinoa and the white rice flour and add just a regular all-purpose flour. Alright, we're gonna mix this together first. And now we're gonna cut in our margarine, 1 tablespoon at a time. Okay, this doesn't seem to be crumbling out very well. It's starting to get me frustrated. Should also probably do this in a bigger bowl, just FYI. Kidding me? Alright, this is where we're leaving it. Now that our topping is finished, we're gonna start on our filling. So you're gonna grab a 8-inch baking dish and we're gonna put in our berries. Now you want these to be partially thawed, like I said. We're gonna put in a tablespoon of cold water and we're gonna put in a tablespoon of our tapioca flour. Now we're gonna mix this together to dissolve the tapioca. Alright, I think we're good. Add your sugar and our extracts, our coconut and vanilla, and we're going to combine this. Beautiful. And we're going to sprinkle our topping evenly, and we're going to bake this for 45 minutes. Fun fact, there are 2 types of blueberries. You have the high bush and the low bush. Now the high bush blueberries are what we use commonly and what's most found in the markets. Low bush are smaller and sweeter and typically are used in jams and processed juices or any other manufactured goods that has a sweet blueberry taste. Blueberries are one of the only foods that are naturally blue in color, and blueberries may even reduce your risk of Alzheimer's disease, as they are believed to slow your cognitive decline by several years if you eat a serving a week. Let's check it. You want to check it?
Wow.
Yeah? Ooh. That looks delicious. Doesn't it look delicious? Yeah. 45 minutes has passed. Let's grab it. Oh, that looks so good. All right. So you have to let it cool for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna serve it with vanilla ice cream. Let's try it. All right, this looks and smells delicious. It's warm, it's fresh. The berries are wonderful. The coconut isn't terribly strong, so you might want to put in a little bit more coconut extract. Personally, I think it's a perfect amount because it's not overpowering. It's not all you taste. It's just a delicious berry cake. Berry crumb cake or berry bar thing. I don't know what you want to call it. It's delicious. And with ice cream, serving this warm with the cold ice cream, I feel like, this is something you'd get in a restaurant. Or at your grandma's after dinner. I feel like this is definitely like a grandma dessert. And that is not an insult. I think this would be a wonderful dessert to have at like a 4th of July barbecue, mainly because of the colors, but it tastes so damn good and so fresh. And the coconut and the berries just go well together. 2 thumbs up from me. You should make this. If this looks good to you, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And as always, make sure to share and subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Hold on, I'll give you soft food in a second. You ate the rest of that. You little...
Back it up.
No, back it up. Back it up. Stop. Back it up. Back it up. Back. Stop.